the lesson about creating a graph. So to start off, here we have a spreadsheet with lots of data in the form of a table. This spreadsheet is about unemployment levels in Canada, and it's broken down into male and female at different ages. And it's not a complete data set, but we're going to work within here. It's also over time, as you can see here, the month and year, and we go all the way from 2010 to 2015 at the bottom. What we're going to do is take some information from that table and create something that looks like this. This is a graph that you can create using spreadsheets. Creating a chart or graph is actually quite easy. All you have to do to start is choose some cells. So you can basically choose any cells, and one way is to find this icon here, Insert Chart. If you don't see it, try click on the three little dots that will spit out the extra options. But you can also always go to Insert Chart. Now, here is the chart editor, and you can do a lot with this chart editor. To start off, you're going to want to set it up and choose the chart type. So here we have the default that Google Sheets has selected to be a line chart. But maybe we don't want that. Maybe we want, there's another suggestion, which is a scatter plot. Or maybe we'd like to see a pie chart. So there's lots of options that you can choose, and there's different reasons to pick the different types of charts. The ones we're going to stick with today are mostly going to be a line chart and a scatter chart. Okay, let's get rid of this one for now. I'm going to click on the actual chart and delete it because I don't want just those data points.